Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will make a tutorial how to make an FNG and how to uh begin some like program on our FNG with the router at FNG. And first we must to log into the FNG, of course. So in here we will make um we will make I will make a tutorial how to add an IP address because uh, FNG or CLI is different from Winbox method. If Winbox we just click and then like little bit typing, like typing. But in here we always using typing. Or if you want to use Winbox, you can add a network in here with a network, and then use the type. We must use the management cloud like this, and then yeah, add like this. Make this one will add network. If you want to connect your router to the network here, just using this cable and then drag to router that you want to connect to the network. And in here there are so many function. Just close left, lookout, dark mode, like this dark mode. Yeah, like this dark mode. So it's more safety than light mode. And there's an action here. An action is like the start note is like this one router or maybe the PC virtual PC and so so the first we must to add on PC virtual PC like this. Just add this one is PC, so this one is PC. If you have to connect the router, just drag and drop. And back to the main tutorial is how to add an IP address and tell I microtik. So this one is basic things. And there is uh, a simple like fast Keybind like that. It can help you while you are typing. So the first you have to use IP address like this one, IP and AD, and after that you just click tap on your button on your laptop button like this. So I just automatically drag to the IP address if the Keybind is to the IP address to the address. And then if you want to add more, so you want to learn more but after what is after the address, you can just tap. So there is so many menu in here like add, comment, disable, edit, enable, export, find, print, remove, and set. So because we want to add an IP address, we use add also like this add. And then after add what, if you want to more know, you can tap. There's broadcast, comment, copy from, disable, netmask, network, address, interface. So because we want to the address, like at the address, we use the address and the interface. After we add address, and then after that we add the interface. Just add address and this. The address is up to you. Because this one is static also, so there's no network or there's no internet in here in this virtual, because this one is virtual, not what not a router, real router, so we cannot use internet. So that's why we cannot use a wireless or the others. Yeah. And then we add an IP like 192, wait, 192, 168, and then example 88 with 1 slash bracket 24. And after that, we just add an interface. We just type E, and it's will go into interface like this. And the interface is up to you. There is four Ethernet. There is Ether 1, 2, and 4. And because sometimes we use this one, the network. Sometimes we use network at Ether 1. So we will use in router IP address Ether 2 or Ether 3 or 4. It's up to you. Okay, after we make an IP address, how we can find the IP address? Just make it valid that we already create. We just type IP address print. After that, yeah, there's an IP address in here. So that one is Ether 2 is I already create for in the next tutorial, that is static routing. And then there's also the keybinds. There is IP. After that, there's counting RP. And the next is we will use a route. This one. Okay, just IP address print. Okay, we already create. And maybe just that for my tutorial for how to make how to use EVNG correctly, and the keybinds also, simple keybinds, and then how to add an IP address because we use typing and then with keybind. So maybe just that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.